world has gone digital. It's reshaping every single one of our industries. We have to be ready for a digital future.
So I think there is a sort of existential fear at the moment about the pace of change. And it's not just in the UK, but it's everywhere. And we're set to go through as much technological change in the next 100 years as in the last 43 centuries, which is like going from the cave painting to the atom bomb in what will probably be a lifetime.
People are excited by the change, but they're also worried by it.
I think Britain is ready for a digital future. It can scare a few people, I think, to think that there's a lot of things out there that we don't know enough about. But one of the things that I think Britain is probably the most advanced in is their healthcare system. The NHS has a very comprehensive clinical footprint of all the individuals in it, and combined with the powerhouse of genomics that they have in the UK, this is a really great way to enable healthcare in a way that no one else is doing it.
Technology is a force for good in our organisation. It's not only enabling our organisation to work across multiple sites, it's allowing our workforce to have complete flexibility depending on what is important in their life, which I think allows everybody to just feel connected to the organisation, that it cares for them, that they can take the time to be where they need to be.
So people talk a lot about 21st century skills, which is everything: emotional intelligence, empathy, curiosity, creativity, resilience, the things the robots can't do, those very distinct human characteristics. I actually call those, as a diplomat, I call those diplomacy. It's about having that curiosity about the world and a worldview formed from actually having viewed the world. So we can't go into our shells. That is, the answer to the 21st century is not just a bigger wall. You've got to get out there and engage. And traditionally, we've been quite good at that. We're a nation surrounded by sea. We're quite good at getting out there. We need to get back to that mentality again.
I think the skills that are going to become most important in the years ahead are flexibility, the ability to take a business challenge and to look at it from different angles, to work with different people and to work in a collaborative environment to make it happen.
I think that people need to develop two core skills. One is influence, and the other one is being able to architect complex systems. So artificial intelligence is going to enable us to be able to pull together complex components to build interesting and powerful systems. So system architecture is going to be a key skill.
As a leader of a college, which is called a College of Technology, technology has got to be at the heart of what we do. And it's really been clear that in our institution, it's made a real impact on the learners and on results and on the way people learn. Technology is the way youngsters learn now, and so what we've been able to do is improve the way they learn.
We have to get our digital skills up. We have to get people retrained in the older generations. We have to get more women and more girls into STEM subjects. And we have to see more degree-level apprenticeships. We have to get more focus on engineering and young people. I think these are all the things that will help Britain become a more digital nation and more able to compete in the 21st century.